Hello JayWay followers, I'm Giorgia from Rome and today we're going to cook. We're going to make pizza. Now forgive my hairstyle, but this of course is for cooking and I also have my apron and everything and we're ready to cook. Okay, so these are our ingredients. We have everything we need here. Double O flour, this is brewer yeast, white sugar, warm water, olive oil, a little bit of salt, and this is where the magic happens. We're gonna use this big bowl because half a kilo of flour is a lot. Okay, so our water is ready. It's the perfect temperature. You have to make sure that it's warm. We have to create what we call in Italian un panetto, which is like a little bread. This is a panetto, as we call it, as we say in Italian. So it's a sort of like bowl, but a little bit crushed. This is our dough. As you can see, it's almost 3 times as it used to be, as it was in the beginning, and you can see that it has all these little holes. You can see that it has this like spongy texture. It's perfect. You want to cook it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes. And then all the other ingredients you want to put on top, mozzarella, I don't know, olives, mushrooms, vegetables, meat, whatever. And then you put it back for other 5 to 10 minutes.